Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning on an Epson Stylus SX405. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without the use of an attached laptop or computer. Now we'll be using the buttons found on the front of the printer, starting with the screwdriver and the spanner, which you press here. And once in setup, we go one to the right using the arrow keys found on the front until maintenance is displayed, and then we press OK. Then we go down one option to head cleaning. We'll be using this to do cleaning cycles. So we press OK. Then to start the cleans, we need to press the green start button, which is represented by a little line inside of a diamond shape. Again, this is found on the front of the printer. Now this will take your machine just a minute. And what your printer is doing is pushing fresh ink into its printhead, trying to dislodge anything that has dried along the printer's printhead and preventing either colours being missing or stripes in your prints. And with the clean complete, you're automatically given the option to do a nozzle check test page, which I would recommend doing as a next step. This test page breaks down the 4 colours used by your printer and allows you to see not only the presence of those colours, but if there's any kind of issues with fine detail on them. And from here you can do cleans and nozzle checks until you hopefully see an improvement in your printing. But that's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.